This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ekaterina Kotenko. Beautiful 2-story, 4-bedroom/2.5 bathroom pool home located on over a third of an acre lot in the NO HOA Community. Brand new roof replaced in July 2020. AC and water heater installed in 2018. House been fully repiped in 2018. New motor for the pool pipe, 2020. New salt cell for the pool, 2017. New garage door and motor, 2017. Freshly painted inside, this home is move-in ready, with mature landscaping all around. An open floor plan of this over 2,500 square foot home offers a separate formal living room, a separate formal dining room, and open concept kitchen/family room. Kitchen features newer stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage and counter space, with a separate island, eating space in the kitchen and a separate spacious laundry closet. Water softener system conveys with the house. Second floor features all 4 bedrooms. Master suite with vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, master bathroom with dual sinks, spa hydro massage tub and a separate shower stall. You will also be able to enjoy your covered large porch area and a separate screed and pool area, overlooking your spacious, fenced-in private yard. Located close to the turnpike for easy access throughout Central Florida. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Ekaterina Kotenko at 407-404-0188.